How to find your community standard on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find community standard on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here scroll down until you find community standard, and this is it. Wait for a second, and this is it. So this is it guys, this is how you find community standard of your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick. So hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to like.